So we've got this unusually spiffing, there's a World War II phrase for you, Uniden Uniace 200, absolutely immaculate, and it was just really over deviation and under power. Receivers are incredible because they don't tend to be as sensitive as the Cybernet sets. But if I tell you that it's now doing 0.47 microvolts for 12 dB and 0.43 for 10 dB, well, the service manual says that it should be doing better than 1 microvolt. So it certainly is doing better than 1 microvolt. What we have done is to change the capacitors, the two 220 microfarad capacitors and the two 470 microfarad capacitors, which is vital you change whenever you see one of these nowadays. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. Right, we'll plug the extension speaker in.
Right, have you plugged the extension speaker in?
Roger, I have. Yeah, I'm all ready to go.
Roger. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and I've got a tone control.
Good, so we're going down the lane towards Woody's lay-by. Peas or beans on the right hand side here, looking more peony or beany or even greeny or whatever.
Very good. That's excellent. And today it's better in the lower position to me. Normally they need to be in the high position.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, a little bit later today, but they close when they want anyway.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a
1981 Uniden 200 radio, and it's doing a full 4 watt output, over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
When I did my little test earlier, when I was, I did 19 Roger, I actually got a Roger on this radio, and the person who said Roger to me didn't identify his location. When I later got back, flicking around the channels, he called me back and asked me again where I was. Said I catch, he said he was asleep, and so just so everybody hears that he turned out to be asleep. And over to you.
Did you get his handle?
No, I would have liked to just change channel rather than do all this on 19.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, are you going over Wilsford level crossing? He has got a rough sleep though.
Roger. Past the Kelby turn, because I forgot.
That's alright, you just past the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on a Uniden 200, doing a full 4 watts and drawing 960 milliamps. To achieve that, we're going to pop it onto low power. It's set at 400 milliwatts as it should be. Where we go on low power, and then back onto the high power back to the 4 watts. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received on full power. Could understand a little bit on low power, but not much.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be like this until the leaves just come off the trees once again. Anyway, I'm done. Ready when to disappear off when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you back on the move. When I edited yesterday's video with the micro set, you repeatedly called me. Yeah, right.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Royal Speed level crossing. Over. Yes, unloaded 146.7 and diesel's 145.9.
Roger on that. Well, there we go. That worked great. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Royal Speed level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that, please? That end, please, over.
Yes, unloaded 146.7 and diesel 145.9.
Roger on that. Well, there we go. That worked great. And that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Hey, it certainly did work great. That was lovely. Right, we're going to use his original microphone now when we go over to the base station. So we're going to start off with the one we've just been using. Then we'll go over to his factory original Uniden one. I'll be a little bit longer on this. I think these are a bit too bassy.
Tango 21 testing the Uniden 200 our standard replacement coffin mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it on low power. This is a hum test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power. Back to full power. Now we'll change for the factory original mic. Tango 21 testing the Uniden 200 with the factory original coffin mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mary had a little lamb, etc., etc. So I know we're going to be looking at some of those Taiwanese power supplies, but I'm not sure what else we've got planned at the moment. Plenty of repairs, including a realistic 1001 handheld. Thanks for watching.